Welding is the process of using some form of heat energy to join metal parts. One type of welding, arc welding, uses an electrical current to weld objects. Change your life, be better. Science Father presents welding technology. The best hybrid event. International Conference on Welding Technology. Next event start on 24 to the 25th of September 2023 at the place of Mumbai, India. We have 100 plus speakers, 10 plus sponsors. Submit your abstract now. The candidates with eligibility can click the Submit Your Abstract Now button and fill up the online submission. Join with us. 11th edition of International Conference on Welding Technology on 24 to 25 Mumbai, India 2023, Welding Summit 2023, the summit now.